Did you know that centuries ago, pineapples were a symbol of hospitality and healing? This succulent tropical fruit, with its spiky crown and tough exterior, has a history as rich as its sweet, tangy flavor. Originating from the lush, vibrant landscapes of South America, indigenous tribes discovered the healing potential of pineapples long before they became a staple in our fruit bowls. They utilized this golden fruit to heal wounds and soothe digestive issues, harnessing its natural enzymes and antioxidants. As explorers began to traverse the globe, they were captivated by the unique allure of the pineapple. They brought it back to Europe, where its rarity and exotic taste made it a highly prized commodity. But it wasn't just the taste that intrigued them. They also recognized its medicinal properties. They saw in the pineapple a natural remedy, a fruit that could heal and nourish. And so, the pineapple's journey as a healing fruit began. As time passed, the pineapple's medicinal uses became widely recognized. This tropical fruit, native to South America, was soon embraced by cultures worldwide for its purported health benefits. Traditional healers used it extensively, particularly for its ability to treat indigestion. The natural enzymes in pineapples, especially bromelain, were praised for their ability to break down proteins and aid digestion. The fruit was also used to reduce inflammation. The bromelain it contains was found to have anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for swelling and pain. Moreover, the high vitamin C content in pineapples was known to boost the immune system, helping the body fend off disease. In the late 19th century, bromelain was finally isolated, and its importance in medicine was recognized. This enzyme, found in copious amounts in pineapples, was now being used to treat a range of conditions from sinusitis to surgical traumas. The pineapple, a tropical fruit, was now becoming a key player in the world of health. Fast forward to today, and the pineapple's health benefits are backed by scientific research. The modern era has witnessed a surge in studies endorsing the health benefits of this tropical fruit, and it's no surprise why. Let's start with digestion. Pineapples are rich in dietary fiber and an enzyme called bromelain. This unique combination aids in breaking down proteins, easing digestion, and promoting gut health. So next time you have a heavy meal, consider adding some pineapple to your dessert. Moving on to the immune system, pineapples pack a punch with their high vitamin C content. A single serving can provide more than half of your daily requirement. Vitamin C is known for its immune-boosting properties, helping to fend off common illnesses like the cold and flu. Not to mention, it's also a fantastic antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage. Next, let's talk about eye health. Pineapples are a good source of vitamin A and beta-carotene, both crucial for maintaining healthy vision. Regular consumption of pineapples can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a common cause of vision loss in older adults. Back to bromelain, this enzyme not only aids digestion but also has anti-inflammatory properties. It's been found to reduce swelling, bruising, and pain in surgical and sports injuries. Additionally, it's been linked to improved respiratory health by breaking down mucus and phlegm. Finally, let's touch on a topic that's garnered much interest: the role of pineapples in cancer prevention. While research is still in its early stages, preliminary findings are promising. The bromelain in pineapples has shown potential in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and promoting apoptosis, the natural death of harmful cells. The humble pineapple, it turns out, is a powerhouse of healing properties. This tropical marvel does more than just tickle your taste buds. It's working behind the scenes to keep you healthy, one slice at a time. So what have we learned about the healing wonders of pineapples? Let's sum it up. Pineapples are not just a sweet, juicy treat. They are a powerhouse of health benefits. From the annals of history, we've learned that this tropical fruit was once used as a remedy for digestive problems and inflammation. Fast forward to the modern era, science has backed these claims and added more to the list. The high vitamin C content in pineapples supports the immune system, while the enzyme bromelain aids digestion and reduces inflammation. It's also packed with antioxidants that fight disease and promote healthy cells. But remember, it's not just about eating pineapples. It's about incorporating them into a balanced diet. After all, good health is a well-rounded affair. The pineapple, once a symbol of hospitality, has proven to be a symbol of health. And with that, we wrap up our journey into the healing wonders of pineapples. Be sure to subscribe for more health tips and like and share the video. Don't forget to check out our next video, The Healing Wonders of Beetroot. Until then, stay healthy.